Boosting Brand Engagement. Welcome to Lecture 16, Boosting Brand Engagement, where we aim to achieve Objective 9, to harness the innovative power of GPT-4 in enhancing brand engagement. In this extensive session, we'll dive into effective strategies for utilizing AI to not only capture attention but also to forge stronger connections with your audience. In the digital marketing arena, engagement is the currency of growth, and brands are in constant competition to secure not just eyeballs but hearts and minds. With GPT-4, we have a sophisticated tool that can analyze trends, user behavior, and brand performance metrics, providing invaluable insights that inform our engagement strategies. We begin by understanding the brand narrative. GPT-4 aids in crafting a compelling brand story, ensuring consistency across all platforms. From the tone of voice to the choice of words, every element of communication can be fine-tuned to reflect the brand's values and ethos, creating authentic and memorable experiences for the audience. Next, we leverage GPT-4 to create content that resonates. Through its advanced understanding of language and user engagement patterns, GPT-4 can generate content ideas, suggest formats, and even create drafts that speak directly to the interests and needs of your target demographic. Be it blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, AI can ensure that your content is timely, relevant, and highly engaging. Building brand loyalty and trust is about more than just consistent messaging. It's about creating a sense of community and belonging. AI-powered engagement initiatives, such as personalized recommendations, interactive chatbots, and customer feedback analysis, can foster a sense of individual attention and care, strengthening the customer-brand relationship. Moreover, GPT-4's data processing capabilities allow us to tailor engagement initiatives based on deep customer insights. Imagine a world where every piece of content a brand releases feels like a one-on-one conversation with the consumer, thanks to the personalization enabled by AI. As we wrap up this lecture, reflect on the potential of GPT-4 to transform the landscape of brand engagement. The future of brand marketing is not just about reaching out, it's about reaching deep, creating connections that last and grow over time. In the next lecture, we'll delve into harnessing GPT-4 for social media scheduling, where we'll explore how to maximize social media presence and reach with GPT-4. Join us as we continue to explore the cutting edge of social media in the age of AI.